Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Saturday, July the 25th, 2020. We have here one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and there is also here, let me see, this is a quintuplet, yes. And I will start first with the medium Sudoku, and this one will be number 1, 2, 2, 2. Yes, 1, 2, 2, 2. And before I start, I always count the numbers, the printed numbers, so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, or 4 stars Sudokus. The 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed numbers. The 2 stars 26, the 3 stars 25, the 4 stars 24. Let me count: 3, 3, 6 plus 2 is 8, 9, 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 5 is 20, 22, plus 4 is 26, 26 printed numbers. That means it's a 2 stars Sudoku. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? The number 6 in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. We see a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here also a 6, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 6 in this column, in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 6? Again, 6 in this column, the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then. Yeah. We have a pair in this column. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. So the 2 and the 9 cannot be in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. That means in this column, 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 2 numbers? Boxes left for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then how about the number? These 2 numbers in the first row. The 2 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 2, so no 2 in this box. The only box left for the 2 should be here. 1 digit left for the first row for the number 5. How about these 2 numbers in the second row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then 8. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those numbers are the 2, the 8, and the 9 is missing. We see here 2 and 8. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left, 1 digit left should be the 9. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then how about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 3, 9, 3, 7, 9, 7, 9. Alright. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those the other 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and the 7. How about 8. Yeah. Gonna be an 8. 8, 2, 7. 2, 8. 1, 1. 9, 7, 9, 7. No. I need more digits. 3, 9, 7. I need a 7. How about the number 9? We have a pair here. Look, 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4. That means in this first column, one of these 3 boxes could be a 9 or could be a 4. What I see here in this middle row, 9 and a 4. In this box cannot be a 9 and a 4. So the 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. That means these 2 boxes are the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 7. Then yeah, 2 numbers left, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. That means in this row we have a 2. This box cannot be a 2. It should be a 9, and this should be a 2. 2 and 8. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 now. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be the 4. 2 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 7 and 4, that means these 2 boxes also 7 and 4 in this column. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Yes, I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, subscribe, people. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I will see you soon. Maybe with the quintuplet. Anyway, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later, and bye-bye for now.